The Amazon Echo smart speakers have become the fastest growing electronics product in history, with tons of features like streaming music services, smart home control, voice shopping, voice calling and messaging, and so much more with Alexa skills. With our background in audio manufacturing and custom integration, we sought out to develop a product that harnesses the capabilities of Amazon Alexa while providing the ultimate audio experience and created the VAIL amp. The Vanguard Dynamics VAIL amp is an in-wall flush mount bracket that holds the Amazon Echo Dot securely and elegantly in the wall, saving precious tabletop real estate throughout a home or office. Mounted behind the bracket is a powerful digital amplifier that connects directly to the Amazon Echo Dot, receiving its audio signal and providing it power for easy cable management, and capable of producing 30 watts per channel, perfect for any pair of in-ceiling, in-wall, or bookshelf speakers. We also provide a subwoofer output to easily add any powered subwoofer to the system for a 2.1 setup. We've also included a secondary RCA audio input to easily connect to TVs. Eliminating the need for other electronics equipment, this audio input can also be used to connect desktop computers, CD players, and many other audio sources. Using the Amazon Echo Dot Bluetooth connectivity, you can also enjoy media on tablets or mobile devices through the VAIL amp. Imagine laying in bed, watching Netflix on your tablet with the audio coming from in-ceiling speakers and a subwoofer. You can even mount the VAIL amp on a desk for a great multimedia system. Installing VAIL amps and Amazon Echo Dots in every room of a home or office creates a futuristic smart home experience. With the multi-room audio feature of Amazon Alexa, have a party and have the same music played throughout, whole house paging, an intercom system, and so much more. VAIL amp gets better as developers work on Amazon Alexa skills with new technologies and features.